Chery Tiggo 8 CSH to be assembled in Indonesia and launched on May 15, 2025. A powerful plug-in hybrid SUV with 500 horsepower and a range of 1,300 kilometers. The Chery Tiggo 8 CSH will be locally assembled in Bekasi and will be launched in Indonesia in May 2025. The Chery Tiggo 8 CSH combines a 1.5L turbocharged gas direct injection (TDGI) engine with an electric motor, each producing 201 horsepower and 310 Nm of torque. Together, they produce a total of 500 horsepower and 735 Nm of torque. This hybrid SUV also features a lithium iron phosphate battery with an IP68 rating, meaning it is water and dust resistant, and can operate in temperatures as high as 95 degrees Celsius. Fast charging is also a feature, providing a 30% to 80% charge in a 20-minute time frame. Chery says the Tiggo 8 CSH can achieve fuel efficiency of up to 76 km per liter. It can travel up to 90 km in pure EV mode. With both the fuel tank and battery full, the hybrid SUV's total driving range is up to 1,300 km. Despite its fuel economy, performance is not compromised. The vehicle can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 6.8 seconds. Backed by global recognition. The Chery Super Hybrid, which highlights its efficiency and performance, also holds a Guinness World Record for covering a distance of 2,369 kilometers without refueling or charging. The Tiggo 8 CSH is built on Chery's 5th-generation hybrid platform, which the company describes as its most advanced to date. This is not our first super hybrid model. We have produced previous generations. This 5th generation is our most advanced, said Zheng Shuo, PT Chery Sales Indonesia Country Director.